CeX sucks for phone fixing. It just does. So, if you heard of CeX, then you would know what this is about. Anyway, CeX has basically a game fixing service as well as a phone fixing service, so you can put your phone in there as well as your game console. Today, I tried to put my phone in. It failed. Because they don't do that! Phone. They don't do Motorola phones. What? What kind of logic is that? You fix phones! Why don't you fix all of them? If you ever make me mad at something, it's the one thing you are advertised to do! If you can't fix my phone, and you don't want to fix this type of phone, then you can't fix all phones. So don't advertise there. Well, they more advertised on the game console thing, but you get my point. They said your phone can be fixed by us. But my phone then, nope, not likely. It means that probably older phones, like Motorola, can't be fixed. But what's the logic in that? Some people like old phones. So you should still have the parts for it. Ah! You know what's even worse? I've been going around place to place trying to find somewhere that could fix my phone's sound speaker. It's just one thing. One simple, tiny, little thing. No one has the part. No one has the part. No one has the part. And that's the worst part of it. No one has said part. Pure adulterated rage. Never going back to CeX. Never. I watched this DVD because DVDs there are awesome. But I'm never putting my phone back in there. Ever again. Stupid CeX, dude. The boss of me. Shut them. See you guys next time.